Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance.
Girl, the way you move it got me in a trance.
Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance.
Girl, the way you move it got me in a trance.
All these cheeks popping pussy, I'm just popping bang. Short hair like me alone. Use one, she don't need a loan. She start twerking when she hear a song. Strip up all her income. We get trippin' and then some. So nasty when she rollin'. She put that ass off in my hands, I remote control it. She give me down when the roof gone. At the KOD, she leave with me. She got friends, bring three. I got drugs, I got drink. Bend it over, Juicy J gon' poke it like wet paint. You say no to ratchet pussy, Juicy J can't. Racks everywhere, they showing racks, I'm throwing racks. In the VIP, rubber on, I'm stretching that.
Girl, the way you move it got me in a trance.
Hey lovelies, I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'm doing great. It's just that the cold weather is just killing me. It's just killing the vibe, you know. I don't know what's going on right now, but I don't like it. I don't like it. Anyway, I just got back home from doing a little, or rather a mini grocery haul kind of side quest, and I just wanted to take you guys through it very fast. So let's get into that and then tuendelee. Yeah, a pack of tissues, kitchen towels, dish soap, dish sponge, fabric softener. This particular one is the first time. This is the first time I'm using it. I've never tried it before. If you tried it, let me know in the comment section down below how it is. Otherwise, this is my first time trying it, and I'll let you know guys if I'm going to like it. Persil, this particular one is going to be also a first time trying. I've been plugged by a friend, so looking forward to trying it out. A knife, toilet bowl, some dhania, red cabbage. This is a mixture of spinach and skuma, lettuce, yellow capsicums, chicken cubes. I got 2 tomatoes, lemons, green capsicums, potatoes, carrots, my favorite dawat rice, white buns, baby spinach, juice. This is fresh mango and this is cocktail, sweet corn. These are green chilies, chocolate and vanilla cookies, beef and chicken cubes, carrot cake, 2 pieces of pasta, cooking oil, honey, olive oil, noodles, soko maize flour, another piece of maize flour, some ginger, some garlic, mangoes, finally uji flour. So that's basically it for our grocery haul today. Let me put this aside and then we make some noodles with some, what is it? Baby spinach. Let me tell you guys, if you've been here long enough, you know this combo. This combo equal to, oh, it's so good guys. It's so good. You need to try it. If I've never plugged you, today I've plugged you. Try it. Baby spinach and the noodles. Perfect combo, especially with this cold weather, and for that it's spicy. Personally, I like it extra spicy, so normally I add some chili oil, but I forgot to get some. So I'm just going to add like some chili and then have it like that, and then I'll catch up with you guys later, probably as you're making dinner or something, because with this crazy weather, honestly I don't think if there's anywhere I'm thinking of going or I'll honestly want to go. So we'll definitely keep indoors today, and then yeah, we'll catch up later, definitely later. But if something also comes up, why not?
Yeah, I
up to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love to be like. Say yeah, we live together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave, you go by. Yeah, if you leave, I go stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want me to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day I get that body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. I prayed for this moment. I would be by your side. And I don't wanna forget those lonely nights. Ooh, tell me that you gon' ride with me. Tell me that you never lie to me. I just wanna make you proud of me. Want you loving every side of me. Love the rhythm of your heartbeat. The way you pushing up on me. I can tell that you want me. Let me show you how it's gonna be. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you can hold my body. Only you can hold my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody say, no one loves you like that.
Good morning, guys. How you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are doing amazing. It's a nice sunny morning and I love it so much. These days I've been loving sunny mornings because the cold. Child, sisi wenye tumelelewa course, we're just not a fan of the cold days. Tumeshazoea joto. So just a moderate kind of cold day like this is just nice for me, where I can just see the sun and all that. But anyway, I'm just here to show you guys my hair. I got my hair and nails done yesterday. I couldn't really schedule a lashes appointment in between. It was supposed to come before, but vile nilisahau kubook your appointment ndio sielewi. Anyway, we ended up only getting our hair and nails done. Almost the same as last time, but this time haina like madoido. This is how the nails turned out. It's a nice lightish nudish color and I love it so much. Do you see that? I love it so much. For my hair this time, I decided to go for something light, as you can see, because I feel like the bohos really like pulled out my scalp because they're a bit heavy since we are the zinaitwangaje hizo curlies. When you add the curlies, the hair becomes long. So this time I went for something really light. I did like 1.5 pack. Hata sikuongeza length, like see. I did something very light, like pack moja na nusu, literally. Hata sidhani ilifika moja na nusu, if you can see. If you know me, you know I don't really have even much hair on my head, so there's that advantage to it. Anyway, that's how the hair turned out. Very light actually, and I love it so much. You see? Anyway, that's it for the hair. Also, I'm not sure if I showed you guys how the whole painting turned out because it was installed yesterday. Did I vlog that? Anyway, it was the wall arts were installed yesterday. I had to get back immediately after I was done with my hair. I had to come back and get just to be here for the fundis to install the wall arts before I went to get my nails done. So in case I didn't show that, I'm going to show that today. I'm going to show you that. So basically we are almost halfway done with our room. And yeah, I'm loving it so far. Honestly. So I'm going to show you that, and then I have a vlog that I've been editing. I just realized there's some bits and bits that I had not shown you guys, and that's what I was like vlogging this morning to just finish up on that. I just hate it sometimes when I have bits from the past and bits from the future. Like the flow is just isn't flowing. So I'm hoping from this vlog moving forward, I won't have to be like, oh guys, hi from the future, hi, I forgot to show you guys. Like today, I have a feeling I really did show you guys the installation of yesterday. Also, did I also tell you that like we changed the artwork, whatever, guy person, because the previous ones, the day they brought the artwork, the day when we were doing the lighting, they brought a different artwork, and it was also like, after the sizing was just off. So literally I opted for a refund and I went with someone else. Was it at something? I'll just leave their handle here in the Instagram picture for you guys in case you're interested. They were so like efficient and I love that. Because what do you mean the others took weeks and days? They took days. Literally after we had already spoken. Why am I rambling too much? I'm rambling too much, guys. Anyway, anywho, let me just give you guys a roundup of the artwork just in case I didn't show you guys yesterday. And then now I finish up on this vlog, let it upload, and then yeah, that is it. Hopefully from this time, like I have like a week I didn't upload a video, and I feel like that's going to affect me in a way or two, because girl, we had promised consistency. Now already tumeanza to show some lagging. That's so bad, that's so bad. Yeah, I also need to go to town to get a tripod for my camera, because child, we need to start getting used to vlogging with the camera, because tunayo ya kudu, kwani tunafanya nayo nini? Like, what do you mean we have a camera and we're still using a phone to vlog? Because I simply don't have a stand. So we'll definitely go to town to get that today. Yes, today. Also, I'll need to make a lash appointment probably tomorrow, because today I feel like I have quite the errands to do. Anyway, enough of me rambling. Let me show you guys the artwork. So guys, this is how the wall art turned out. I went for the same frames that I have in the living room, because as I said, I just love the cohesion that comes when you walk into each and every room. And yeah, I like it so much. I love the fact that, oops, oh, I just knocked myself. I love the fact that like in a blending with just everything, the walls, you see, I just love it so much. I love it so much. I just love how it turned out. And yeah, imefanya the room imepata some oomph, especially now that the walls are not like bare anymore. I just need to decide on what to do with these two walls. Now I'm confused if I want to do wall scones ama nifanye nini. Like, I'm confused for now. But so far so good. Our fixture is up, wall light is up, our curtains have been installed. I just couldn't be happier, guys. I just couldn't be happier. I just need to work on some throws here and there. And then as we wait to figure out the stand thingy and the carpet issue. But yeah, so far so good. And I love it, guys. Who do you think? Do you guys love it? Let me know, guys. Let me know if you love it.